So, I've just woken up from my first ever night in a hammock camping, wild camping. I am somewhere near Warwick in some private woods. Warwick motorway service station is somewhere in the background there behind me. How did I find this site? Google Maps, using the satellite view, picked a rough area that would be about right to break my journey up between Manchester and London, and the light was I had just about enough light to be able to set up. In fact, I finished setting up with my head torch, so I didn't quite have enough light. It's turned out alright. I had to crawl through a barbed wire fence to get in here, so it clearly is private, but it's quite big. I did hear a few strange noises in the night. So how did I sleep? Not so great, just fitful, a little bit here and there, but a lot of not sleep. I did manage a little fire, which I'm going to show in a second, and overall I'm pleased. I think I slept. I was warm enough, and I'm going to show the setup in a second for keeping warm. It was the weather app, Met Office app, said it got down to 9 degrees. So I know now a setup that works for 9 degrees. So I am a total beginner, but I've watched a lot of YouTube videos so far, and I'm going to watch more. My setup is the East Hills Outdoors pack that I found online. It's a little bit like a Hennessy system pack, but obviously a lot cheaper. One thing about it that I slightly regret is that it's not camouflage, it's not green, it's a very light grey rainfly, and that's stands out quite a lot when you're trying to be stealth and discreet. I've also realised that I can see a lot of cars, and last night I could see a lot of lights, and I thought it was a little road that I've parked my car on, when in actual fact it's the motorway in the distance. And I actually thought, wow, that road's a lot busier at night than it looks, because it's only just a single lane track. But I've realised this morning there's so many cars on it that it's actually the motorway. Oh well, it did spook me slightly. Okay,